Hello and welcome to this quick one-click AI tutorial. In this first example, we're going to be forecasting the weekly sales of a company for each store and department. So we'll get started by uploading our data set, and then we can see a preview of our data. We see we have the column for store, department, date, and our weekly sales. Next, we want to select forecasting for our task, select our date column. The column we want to predict is weekly sales, and we do want to predict over a period of 1 week, once every week. And we will start this forecast back in 2012 since this is such an old data set. We're just going to say we want to start June 4th and we want to forecast until June 29th. And we want to group the results by both store and department since we want the weekly sales for each store and for each department. And then all we have to do is click submit and our jobs will be created. And when it's done, we'll be able to click download. Um, but for our purposes, I've already ran this task and we can go over here and just scroll down and download right here. And we can look at our results and we see we have our results for all the dates that we selected. And that's it. Now in this next example, we're going to create an image classification model to identify different manufacturing faults in microchips. So for example, this fault looks sort of like a black dot in the clear area of the microchip, whereas this one looks like a clear area in the black part. So we're going to upload our images, and I'm going to fast forward while this uploads because it could take a minute. Now that our data is uploaded, all we have to do is click Next, select Classification for the task, and predict category, and then click Submit. And this will take some time to run, but for our purposes, I've already ran it, and we can go to the report page for the task right here and see all the models that were created, and see the accuracy and various statistics. This page is also available for the forecasting example that we did before, by the way. And then if we wanted to apply the model on a new data set, all we would have to do is upload new data and use the EVA chatbot to apply the model to the data set, and we would get our results. And that's it.